And if you actually did that, it was really quite easy to vacuum window blinds, the tops of high shelves and other things with it. But with this vacuum cleaner, because of this supposedly clever solution, this clever solution, this option has been lost. So in my opinion, it does more harm than good. Although it's true that it looks good, it looks cool, and it's fun to snap it at the beginning of the video, but apart from that, it has absolutely no other benefit. The question is it worth buying? Well, definitely, since they're asking about $50,000 for it.